Today we will be playing From Me to You. Little secret, whenever I used to test ukuleles, maybe last year and the better part of this year, I would do a little chord progression and people would always ask, what are the chords you're playing? What is that song? And I didn't have a tutorial for it, so I didn't know where to send people to say like, this is the song. So this is what I've been playing. I just used to play them really fast, like this. And guess what? There are no bar chords in this lesson. So if you've noticed, my teaching style is I start with something easy, then I give you something really challenging, and then I tone it back down, and then challenging, and then tone it back down. So this is me kind of like toning it back down because I've given you some really challenging songs and lessons during this course. Alright everybody, make sure your ukulele is tuned before you get started so that you sound good. This song has 3 different parts: intro, a verse, and a bridge. Everything else repeats. So the intro has C and A minor, each one getting 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat it. Now if you wanted to jazz it up, you could use the island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And if you wanted to take it even further, you can add the chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So choose your strumming pattern, and let's do the intro together. Or you can watch the first time if you're not familiar with the song. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to demonstrate most of the verse because it follows the same exact pattern. The chords all get one strumming sequence. If there's anything that you want, if there's anything I can do, just call on me and I'll send it along. So play the intro and that much of the verse with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. I didn't finish the verse with you is because the last little bit of it gets a slightly different strumming pattern. It goes like this. With love from me to you, love from me to you. So we have C, C, G7, G7, C, C, A. So that A minor is on the up strum. So try it with me. 1, 2, on C, go. Love from me to you. So you have to anticipate, move a little bit faster for that. Try again. 1, 2, ready, go. Love from me to you. Let's do the verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. If there's anything that you want, the next verse follows the same form. Let's go right into it. I've got everything that you want, like a heart that's so true. Just call on me, you'll send it along, love from me to you. So we do have a slight difference, I'm sorry. Instead of going to A minor at the end of the verse, we go to C7. And that's because we're getting set up for the bridge. I'll play the bridge for you and then we'll do it together. La, 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 la. aside from it having a bunch of chords, nothing too crazy, right? All of the strumming is pretty regular. You do have one option though. There's a D7 there, so you can do the abbreviated D7 like this. It's easy. Or you can do a full D7, which is a bar, and then your middle finger on the 3rd fret of A string. If that's difficult for you, it might be because the action on your ukulele is too high. That means the string height. So you can get that checked out at a music store with a luthier or someone who knows about instruments. It might be that you haven't really practiced bar chords, so you need to spend time just squeezing your fretboard and trying that, like just squeeze and strum, squeeze and strum, squeeze and strum, and then try to squeeze longer, and then let go. So build the strength on this hand. What else could it be? There are some strings that are a little harder, in my opinion, to press. These are pretty easy, but I'm not knowledgeable enough to really talk about the strings and their effect on bar chords. Let's do the bridge together. Choose your D7 shape. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Try again. 1, 2, G minor, ready, go. Switch. And guess what? Everything else repeats. Guess what else I lied to you? There is a section that's different, but it's easy. So it goes like this. It's like there's a solo, and the chords are just da da la 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 from me da 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 to you. That's it. It just goes back to the verse at that point. Just call on me, and doesn't love from me to you. And that's it. So let's do that solo portion and go back into a verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. From me. All on me. Sing that along with love from me to you. That's the ending. Let's do that last verse again. Now that you know the ending. 1, 2, rock it out. 1, 2, ready, go. I hope you have fun with this lesson. I think it's really like lighthearted, pretty easy, nothing too crazy. So I think we all needed a little break, right? So yeah, have fun with it. Tag me if you post it anywhere on social media. And yeah, I'll see you in the comments below. Sayonara!